Hey everyone, welcome back to the Word a Lawyer. Let's burst a new topic. Can a wife claim husband's property in India for legal truth? Yeah, she's a wife and he owns the property. They are married, but does she have any legal rights in his property? Let's break the myth and understand the law under the Hindu Marriage Act about maintenance laws and property rights in India. During marriage, does a wife automatically own her husband's property? No. Marriage doesn't give you any automatic ownership. If the property is self acquired by the husband, it remains his unless he gives or will it. However, she has a right to residence in the matrimonial house under Section 17 of the DV Act 2005, Section 19, protection of women from being evicted unlawfully, even if the house is in the husband's or in law's name. She cannot be thrown out of the house without the court's order. After divorce, can she claim his property? She has no rights in the husband's self acquired property, but she can ask for maintenance or alimony under Section 125 CRPC and Section 25 of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955. Court may grant monthly support or a lump sum payment based on his income, lifestyle, and marriage duration. Not direct ownership of the property, only in a rare cases where she contributed financially to buy the property, court may award her with a share. What about the ancestral property then? She cannot directly claim ancestral property of the husband. But if the couple has a child, the child has a co-partner rights and the mother may seek residence or maintenance using this route. Came to the conclusion, wife don't become co-owner just by the marriage, but the law ensures they have a shelter, support and dignity. Know your rights, not the WhatsApp version of them. Subscribe to the What a Lawyer for more law, life, and clarity. Thank you, everyone.